The best way to improve customer communication is to respond quickly, set clear expectations, and follow up consistently so people always know what is happening with their project or their order. Most people think good communication just means being polite, but it actually comes down to timing and clarity more than tone. When a customer reaches out, the first response matters more than the actual answer because it tells them whether they are being taken seriously. A trick that many business owners do not know about is using what is called the 2-hour rule, where you aim to send some kind of reply within 2 hours, even if it is just to say you received their message and are working on it. This alone builds trust because silence is what makes people anxious, not waiting itself. Another thing worth knowing is that customers remember how you communicated far longer than they remember small mistakes, so a calm and clear explanation after something goes wrong often builds more loyalty than if nothing had gone wrong at all. Try writing out simple templates ahead of time for common situations like delays or price changes, so you are never scrambling to find the right words in the moment. One common mistake is giving vague timelines like soon or shortly, which leaves customers guessing and frustrated. Instead, give a specific window like between 2 and 4 business days so there is no confusion. Another mistake is only communicating when something is wrong, which trains customers to feel nervous every time they hear from you. Try sending small positive updates along the way, even if it is just to say things are on track. A third issue is forgetting to confirm that the customer actually understood what you said, so always ask a quick question like, "Does that make sense?" to catch confusion early. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.